Next up here is KMX, CarMax. First of all, I'm skipping over a lot of hammer candles here. There are quite a few red ones. I'm going to start focusing more on the green ones and only do red if I don't have many to choose from. Now with that said, going forward here, CarMax has put in a green hammer candle here. Volume doesn't necessarily confirm an extra number of participants in the trade. However, the location is important to me. It's bouncing off the 50 and 200 day simple moving averages. Recently had a golden cross, which is basically just a 50-day simple moving average crossing up and through the 200 period. Just a technical cross that some traders do like to use for bullish types of entries. The intraday time frame here is a very well established and clear-cut bull flag, which does have a measured move. Basically, the measured move is from about 59.20 up here to this high of 61.50. Basically about a $2.30 move above where the breakout occurs. So call it $2 above 61.40, takes it up to about 63.5, which will be the price target that I'm looking for. 63.5. Oops, that's not my text note, is it? Target 63.5. Now with that in mind, where I enter is going to be important as well. I'm going to look for a long above 61.70 and the stop loss will be just below this previous consolidation range of about 61.5. If it does come back down, if this flag does fail, let me extend this out. If this flag does fail, I will look for a possible pullback. If it fails to hold 61 flat, this will basically void the bull flag and will no longer be valid. So somewhere in here, I will be looking for some sort of support at least above 61. Last ditch area to get in, because this has already put in very flat support right here at 61. I will put a support entry right there. With a stop just outside of there. And because this is a very clear-cut flag, a lot of traders who do trade patterns will have their stops there as well, and if that fails, will likely sell off pretty hard. Market makers may actually see the orders and cause it to flash down as well. Now if it does gap up, I will not hesitate to go ahead and look for a gap and go type of trade just above the opening price. This will be my plan for CarMax going forward. We'll see what happens.